Hello. Can you want to make your home like this? We are Jai Veer Group. We have professional interior designer and owner of a material shops at Gota, Ahmedabad, and we provide all type of variety and budget-friendly material like plywood, hardware, laminate, and Fevicol. We provide you 2 BHK at 8 lakh and 3 BHK at 10 lakh including furniture, LED lights, POP, false ceiling, electrical work, and denotation stickers. So why waiting? Call right now and make a beautiful your home.